Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm glad you guys are all here and really hope you enjoyed this video. Today we're going to be unboxing another one of these knockout. Oh, let me just turn that around. Knockout $9.99, 5 items, minimum Amazon value of $24.99. This box was purchased from HMV. HMV have a lot of these mystery boxes at the moment. I did unbox in a recent video the blue version. Today we're going to be doing the knockout red version, and I will link that blue version unboxing in the description below, just in case you guys haven't seen it and you want to check that one out. Okay, so as I said, these boxes are $9.99. No idea what's inside it. Oh, I need to get some scissors. I've got no idea what's inside the box. 1 second, guys. I'll just grab a pair of scissors right here. And we're going to check out what we got in this box. Was it worth $9.99? And did we get potential $24.99 value? If we got the $9.99 value, I think I'd be happy enough, but it would be excellent to get 24. Okay, so we will go ahead and cut the box. Guys, if you're using scissors, just be careful. And we'll go ahead and open it. Okay, let's do it this way and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so inside the box, this is what we have. The first thing that we have is this Zontaran. I think it's a Zontaran General from the 10th Doctor Who series. This is a BBC product from Doctor Who, and this figure is really detailed. I really like the little stand. I'm not a huge Doctor Who fan, but I think that this little figure is pretty cool. It is licensed by the BBC, if you can see here. So yeah, pretty cool. That's our little first item. So let's just pull out all the items first and then we'll go to Amazon and see what the prices of these are. The next, wow, we have an anime product. So the next thing that we have is this Dragon Ball Z. This is a combo collection, Gecko versus Freezer. And this is a little, oh, here we go. Sorry about all the noise. This is a little bowl and the figure must be inside. So you have two figures. So you get your anime, your Dragon Ball Z figure, and you get one of the Freezer figures. And this is the range that you can get. I think I like Jinsu because I like the guy, body change and grill. I think I like the white grill behind. So that's pretty awesome. Inside, I think it's I mean, I don't speak Japanese, but I think this says you get 2 3D figures, and I'm just paraphrasing this. So I think you get two 3D figures. You get your Dragon Ball Z, and then you get your Freezer version. So that's pretty awesome, guys. This box does say somewhere yeah, that you get at least 5 items. I think in this pack we've got just our 5 items, which is, I mean, that's pretty okay. I don't really mind that. So we got just the 5. The next thing we got are some of these Marvel comic badge pack or pins. So we've got the Hulk. You know what I like about these? I like that they're they're very retro. They're comic book style. I do like the more recent stuff also, but I just have a passion for this Marvel comic style type of design. But we have the Incredible Hulk. It's pretty cool. We have Spider-Man. We have the Invincible Iron Man, Black Widow. I'm really glad we have Black Widow. She is one of my favorite Marvel characters. Also Hawkeye. I would have liked to see maybe a Hawkeye pin here, but I'm really glad that we have Black Widow. And then we have a Marvel comic group, 12 cents from the 50th of July. So I think that's pretty cool. A badge pack. The next thing that we have Okay, this is a very sort of UK thing. This is a mug. It's from Gogglebox. It's an Oxford mug. Gogglebox, if you guys don't know what it is, it's a TV program where people sit in their homes and talk about TV programs they're watching. It is quite funny at times, and if you haven't watched it, do check it out. So this is our Gogglebox mug, brand new, licensed product. So that's a pretty nifty. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so let's, so hard. Let's pull the last thing out, and we'll just pop you guys down ever so slightly so that you can see everything that we have here. We'll pop our Dragon Ball Z up and our pins. Okay, the next thing that we have is a Star Wars product. This is a Star Wars Destiny. It's an original licensed Disney product, and it is a 24 card and 9 premium dice game. This is a Ray starter pack. I've never seen anything like this before. I've never used it, but here are our dice. At the back, it lets you see the game. So if you guys want to read up on that, feel free to pause the video right here. And then we have the rest of our dice on the other side. Okay, so we got 5 products. 5 relatively good products. But let's look up and see what our value is. So I know from the last video that these little Doctor Who figurines, and because I got one in the last video, please check the link out below, is roughly about £10. So we'll keep that in mind. That is £10. A cup. I don't know if we're going to get a Gogglebox cup, but we'll check. Mug. Okay, so the Gogglebox mug. Let's try in home and kitchen. Okay, so the Gogglebox mug is roughly around £7. So for these 2 items alone, we have got the money back from our box. Well, actually, just with this little figure, we got our worth. So for both of these items, we're talking at £17. Let's have a look and see what our Star Wars Destiny set sells for. Star Wars GSTINY. And this is a Ray pack, a Ray starter pack. So I'm assuming that there are more characters that you can get in these starter packs, but I don't mind Ray, so I'm happy to have that. Starter set. Let's see what we can get. Okay, so you do have a ton of different starter kits. You can get like Obi-Wan Kenobi. You can get General Grievous starter pack, and so many more. These starter packs, the cheapest that they're selling for on Amazon is $9.99, which is pretty awesome. But they do go up to just over £20. But we're going to take the lower end value and just take them as £10. So we now currently have £27 worth of value. So we have absolutely smashed our $24.99 value, and we still got 2 items to go. So I'm going to go ahead and see what else we've got and what other value that we've got. Marvel Comics badge set. Okay, so our badge pack for Marvel, it's a very similar badge pack. It's not exactly the same. We have one, yeah, very, very similar. You guys can see it right here. It's $5.99. We're probably going to go, I would say, on the lower end and maybe go for round about £3, because if you're selling this on, for example, eBay, you're not going to get that value. So we're probably going to go about £3 on that one. And in total, we're now sitting at around £30. So let's see what we've got for our Dragon Ball Z collectible. And these are called combo collections. Okay, we found it. Let's see. I'm just trying to flick through. G-U-K-O. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I'm not finding anything on Amazon that looks like this. So what we're going to do is we'll go to eBay and see what eBay have those at. It doesn't really matter anyway, because we've already made our value with the other items. So we're way past the $9.99. We've definitely got our $9.99 back. Even if we sell these on the lower end, we're still going to make much more than what we paid for the box. We've smashed our $24.99. So really, whatever this costs, we've totally got our value back. And we're just going to see if we can find these combo collection. Let's just see. That didn't find anything. Let's do it again. I'm really not, I really don't know a whole lot about Dragon Ball Z. I know it's extremely, an extremely popular anime. I just, I've never really been an anime fan. So let's see what we can find. Okay, guys, so on the lower end, we have the selling on eBay for bids of up to £4.50. There are no buy it now prices on these, but we do have one that someone is selling and the bid is currently £10. So let's go halfway in the middle and say these are probably around £5. So in total, counting everything up, we've probably got about £35 worth of value. That is £25 over extra value over what we've paid for the box. And that is £10 value over what the estimated value is. So I think we've done really well in this box. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't assume I'm going to keep all this stuff, but what I might do is I do plan on doing potentially another couple of HMV unboxes. I know they're getting in new stock next month. They've got some Funko boxes coming in and they've got some other boxes coming in. And what I might actually do is make my own knockout box and put it in as a giveaway. So guys, do stay tuned to my channel. And this is all coming up very, very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please smash that thumbs up for me. Really does help me out and helps my channel. If you guys are watching the video, it doesn't take a whole lot to just thumbs up for me, and I would so appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of any of my future videos, go ahead and hit the notification bell. But guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have the most amazing day, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.